guys, I'm Kid Chef, and this is my brother here helping me. So we're gonna do a combination of orange and watermelon and basil and watermelon.
Let's start.
Okay.
Let's start with the orange and watermelon.
Each one eat an orange.
Then this. It's actually kind of good.
Yeah, I like it.
Now let's try with this and that.
Eat basil.
They're both equal. They both taste very good.
I give the best.
The one that's better is both. They're
one
both
that's
so
better
good. You choose. They're both so good for me. What?
No, I have a nice idea. What if we take watermelon, orange, and basil and mix it up?
Should we try that?
Yeah.
Break it in half.
But there's only one orange.
I broke it.
And watermelon.
That's good. Yeah. We're doing all of them.
Yeah, we're doing all of them. I like it. I'm just going to finish this watermelon.
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back. We just finished cutting and I decided what to make. We're making a juice. So we have a blender right here. So I want to put the watermelon first.
Yeah. Oh. Leave that
Is
one.
that okay? Oh my god, I lost that.
These ones are okay. The one on the ground. The two on the ground. You start putting the oranges. Use your hands.
Okay.
These ones, bye-bye. Sorry.
Okay. There's a lot of oranges. I wish the oranges stopped right now. There's so much.
I'll start with the basil. I'm gonna spread them around.
No. We have to cut it in half.
It's okay. Okay, yeah, true. It needs to blend properly. Now after we cut it in half.
Now we have to blend it.
But
Can I please put the salt?
yeah,
You can
put the
do that.
salt around.
You can put that. Okay, that's done.
Okay, yeah. That's good enough.
That's good enough.
We're done. Now, the last thing to do is blend it.
Okay, guys, I just finished putting it in the blender. So now I'm on it. Okay, that's Guys, I just finished blending and now I came up like this.
Let's try it.
Okay. First you taste it. I want to see how good it is.
It's so good. It's better than normal watermelon juice. It's so much better than normal watermelon juice. It's so good.
It's so good. It's so
Yeah,
good.
it's so good.
It's so good. It's so good.
Everybody has to try this.